numericals on issue of debenture. As in previous video, we had studied the theory of issue of debenture. In this video, we solve numericals which is based on your book, that is GK Goel. So let's start. X Limited issued 2000 15% debenture of 100 each at par value. Okay. So the payable as 25 on application, 25 on allotment and 50 on first and final call. The application were received for 3000 debenture. Application for 1600 debenture were accepted in full and application for 600 debenture were allotted only 400 debentures and the rest were rejected. So the money due were received except the final call on 100 debenture. So this is the first question. Here we see that the company issued only 2000 debenture, but they receive application on 3000 debentures. So the 1000 debenture is excess. So they will adjust this money in allotment and the rejected shares were returned money, rejected debentures, okay, not shares. As we received on 3000, so we will write here 3000 and the applied issued share numbers. So applied is 3000, but on 1600 we allot full share debentures, okay, not shares, because it is just like shares. So please understand, if I mistakenly say shares, it is not share, it is a debenture. And on 600 debenture we issued only 400 debentures and the remaining, how much is remaining? So this will be 2200 and remaining is 800 is rejected, okay. So the amount is just equals to this. So we have to refund on 800 debentures. How much money you have to pay? So 800 debentures is multiplied by 25, okay. So 8 5 is 40, 8 2 is 16, that is 20,000 will be refunded and the remaining money will be adjusted to the allotment. Now we will see the journal entries. Bank account debit to 75,000 as we received money on 3000 debenture, but in the next entry we will only transfer that money which will be possible on application to 15% debenture, that is 50. How it is calculated? 2000 multiplied by 25, 50. As on 800 debentures we are rejected all the application, so the 20,000 will be refunded. How much money is remaining? So 50,000 plus 20,000, that is 70,000 and the remaining amount is 5,000, that will be transferred to the allotment, okay. Now debenture allotment will be due, as 25 rupees is called on allotment also, and only 45,000 is transferred because in application we have already received 5,000. So the 5,000 will be less from 50,000. Final call is due, but as in question, there is mentioned that on 100 debentures, a person does not pay the money. So, on 50, the 5,000 rupees is not received, that will be less from the received money, right. This question is quite simple, you can easily solve this and quite easy to calculate that how much money you have received. So, next question is Sunflower Limited issue 40 lakh debentures of 200 each at the premium of 6% payable as 80 on application, 132 on allotment, and debenture are redeemable after 7 years. So, record the entries. So, bank account debit to 8% debenture application. How it is calculated? So, 80 is multiplied by 40 lakh shares, as 40 lakh debentures, not shares, debentures. Okay. So, according to this, 80 rupees are demanded on application and 132 on allotment. Okay. So, the total amount will be 132 plus 80, that is 'okay'. This will be the total amount of share of debentures. Okay. Please don't get confused as I am teaching shares in the class. So, I repeat again and again that shares. Okay. It will be debenture. Okay. So, we demanded 80 rupees on application. So, we will receive 32. Okay. And application is transferred on debenture account. But as in the question there is no mention of premium, so the premium is payable on allotment. Okay. How much? The 12 rupees, and similarly the amount is transferred to the debenture allotment. So, this question is quite easy. Now, the question number 6 is Navlakshmi Limited invite application for issuing 3,000 12% debentures at 100 each with a premium of 50 per debenture. The full amount was payable on application. So, the application received for 4,000 debenture, that is the oversubscription. The application for 1,000 debenture were rejected and the application money was refunded. Okay. So, the application of 1,000 debentures is totally rejected. You don't have to calculate any money, and debenture were allotted to the remaining applicants. Okay. So, you have to pass the journal entry. It is a quite simple entry as the premium is 50 and all money is received on application only. So, the entry will be bank account to debenture application account and allotment account. The money received on 4,000 debentures and with premium. How much premium is? 50. So, you have to multiply 4,000 with 150 rupees. Okay. 150 rupees. Okay. And in debenture account you have to transfer How much? Only on 3000, that is 100, and only on 3000, that is 50, and the remaining amount, that is excess, will be transferred to the bank account as we have paid all the money which is not accepted, right? Quite easy question. Now another question is, Sudhir Limited take over the assets of 8,50,000 and the liabilities of 1,50,000 of the Gopal Limited at an agreed price of 7,20,000. The purchase consideration were discharged by issuing 12% of 100 each at a premium of 20%, that is 20 rupees. Give the journal entry in the Sudhir Limited. So the asset is 8,50,000 and the liability is 1,50,000 and the agreed price is 7,20,000. So how much debenture will be issued? You have to calculate. So first you have to enter sundry assets, okay, that is 8,50,000, sundry liability 1,50,000, and the balancing amount will be the goodwill account, and Gopal Limited is agreed on 7,20,000. Okay, we have to pay only 7,20,000. So Gopal Limited is 7,20,000. On 7,20,000, that 7,20,000 will be divided by 120. So here we get that we issue only 6,000 debentures, and on 6,000 we have to pay 100 rupees, that is 6 lakh, and on 6,000 we have to pay the premium amount, that is 20, that is 120, 1,20,000. Okay, so this will be the entry. Another question is, a company purchased asset of the book value of 12 lakh and the liabilities of 2,20,000 of another company for purchase consideration of 9,40,000. The purchase consideration was discharged by issue of debenture of 500 each at discount of 6%. Now this will be the entry of discount. Pass necessary journal entries, the book of purchasing company. The company writes off all the capital loss in the first year itself. Okay, so you have to mention all the entries. So sundry asset 12 lakh, sundry liability 2,20,000, capital reserve 40. Okay, capital reserve will be 40,000 and the vendor company is 9,40,000. Okay, so you have to check how much money is remaining, right? You have to check. So how you will calculate the capital reserve? So in the question there is mentioning that the sundry asset will be 12 lakh, okay, and the sundry liability is 2,20,000, and the company, the vendor company is charging 9,40,000. So the balance will be, if from the asset 2,20,000 and 9,40,000 is added and less from this, we will get 40,000. How it is? 9,40,000 add back 2,20,000. Okay, so we will get 11,60,000, and from 12 lakh if you subtract from 12 lakh, you have to subtract this amount, you will get 40,000. You will get 40,000. Okay, so this will be the entry and this will be the calculation. So the vendor company, now we have to issue the debenture to the vendor company, so we have to calculate it on this amount 9,40,000 as we are issuing it from discount of debenture. So how much discount we have to give? Please see in the question, as each debenture is of 500 each and 6% discount. So what will be the 6% of 500? 5 6 are 30. So the 6% discount of 500 rupees each will be 30, and so we have to calculate as 940 is divided by the discounted rate, that is 470. We issued only 2000 debenture. On this we have to issue all the amount and we also have to show the discount on debenture, right? Now 23rd question is, X Limited issued